Welcome to France. This is going to be one of the best trips of your life. The air here smells like bread, history, and fun. Every corner offers something pretty, yummy, and new. Don't be worried, just open your heart and get ready to eat everything. Your adventure probably starts at Charles de Gaulle Airport in Paris. The easiest way into the city? Take the RERB train. Just follow the Paris by train signs. Grab a window seat and watch the view change from runways to classic Paris streets. If you're landing somewhere else, like Nice, look for public transport into the city center. The goal isn't just to see the sights, it's to feel the place. Let yourself be a little lost and amazed. France has its own beat. Put your phone away, look around, and take it all in. This is the start of a beautiful friendship between you and France. Trust me, you're going to love it here. Now let's figure out how to get around and say hello. In Paris, the metro is your best friend. Look for the big M signs. Buy a book of tickets or a Navigo Découverte pass for endless rides. The metro map is just colorful lines. Find your start and end and connect the dots. Don't be afraid to ask for help. A smile and a map go a long way. Now, the most important tip, always say bonjour when you go into a shop or cafe. It's not just a hello, it's showing respect. Add madame or monsieur for extra warmth. Use s'il vous plaît and merci, these magic words open doors. Even if your French isn't perfect, trying matters. When you leave, say au revoir. These polite words are like a secret handshake in French culture. They show respect, and you'll be treated as a welcome guest. Trust me, it makes a big difference. Ready to explore? Let's eat. Let's talk food. France is like a party on a plate. Start with a fresh croissant from a bakery, still warm in the morning. Grab a pain au chocolat too. This is breakfast heaven. For lunch, try a jambon beurre sandwich, ham, butter, and perfect bread. Or grab a crepe from a street stand. Savory or sweet, you can't go wrong. For dinner, find a cozy bistro or brasserie. Order classic dishes like bœuf bourguignon, coq au vin, or steak frite. Don't skip the cheese part. Ask for a suggestion and have it with wine. In France, meals are meant to be enjoyed slowly, not rushed. Sit, relax, and enjoy dessert. Crème brûlée or chocolate mousse. Food here is about connecting and joy. When you eat in France, you're feeding your spirit. So go ahead, try everything. You can walk it off tomorrow. Now let's see what's beyond Paris. Paris is just the start. Go out to see the real France. Take a fast train south to the Riviera or to Provence for lavender fields and charming towns. Walk the Promenade des Anglais in Nice or explore a market in a town on a hill. Rent a car to discover the countryside. Each village has its own story. Always carry some euros for markets and bakeries. Remember, many shops close midday and on Sundays. Enjoy the slower pace. France is about enjoying life, not rushing through it. My advice, just go. The perfect time is now. Be open, be curious, and be kind. Say bonjour, eat the croissant, hop on the train, and talk to people. Let France surprise you. You'll return with a full heart and stories to tell. Have the best time. I know you will.